Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ismail. I will present the result of the PowerPoints from group the three entitled web developments. Uh, was members R. M. Fal Islami and M. Hafiz. Uh, Web developments building the digital world. Uh, what is web developments? Web developments is the practice of creating web application in combination design, programming, and infrastructure to turn this into interface. Accessibility online experience from static pages to real-time web apps design and to maintain planning interface writing code deploying and updates of them user experience matters performa accessibility and responsive success. Uh, the two players front ends face back ends. Force for and clean slide code HTML, CSS, JavaScript, user interface UI, and user experience UX, accessibility, responsive, and performance. Backends, surface, database, and application logis. APIs, uh, automation, and data modeling. Scalability, reliability, and security. K. Terminology, the building blocks, HTML. Hypertext Markup Language. The structure backbones, the definition, hence, programs, lists, links, and smashing context. CSS. Cascading style sets. Control layer color, typography, and responsive behavior across devices. JavaScript. Client, client-side scripting. Language that makes pages interactive, dips, animates, and health dynamics data updates.
Okay, let me introducing myself. My name is Emfal Islami. You can call me Fala. I will continue the next material that my friend has explained. First, K terminology. Terminology. Connection that pitches is API, Application Programming Interface, de- defines how different software components, actions, data, and functionality to frameworks. Structured libraries is React, Angular, Vue, Node.js, and Django that speed development with conversion and reus- re- reusable component. Database. Database is organized storage SQL and no SQL for persisting user data, connect, uh, and application state. Brief explanation how it all comes together. It's a First is a request response flow. The first is browser UI, user action trigger request, and API gateway, request and validate request. Three is server logic, process and orchestrators. Uh, Four is database, queries and return data. JSON 5 It's a JSON response server return payload to UI. Slide 3 is the evolution of the web. Web 1.0 is a static page and limited interactive read-only web, and Web 2.0 dynamic connect social platforms and user-generated experience. Web 3.0 emerging emerging decentralized emerging decentralization, uh, block, block, blockchain concepts, and AI driven personalization.
Viral case study, the rise of TikTok. TikTok combined intuitive, intuitive front-end interface with a massively scale back-end and smart recommendation system to rapidly execute global users. Its web and app and application experience priority smooth media playback, real-time interaction, and personalized feeds. Challenge create an active short video platform that scales worldwide and compete with established social networks. Approach optimized front end for low latency playback. Back-end recommendation algorithm for powered by machine learning and distribute content delivery. Impact explosive user growth, cultural influence, and case study in how integrate web development drive product market fit. Practical takeaways and next steps. Number one, learn by doing. Build build small projects, experience with framework, and practice deployment workflows. Number two, priorities fundamentals. Master HTML or CSS or JavaScript. Understand the database and learn secure API designs. Yang number three, join the community. Contribute to open source. Read docs and collaborate. Continuous learning accelerates growth. And the next, building the future. Online of code at a time. Web development is an evolving craft that blends creativity, engineering, and system thinking. Embrace interaction, measure impact, and design for people. The tools change, the core mission remains. Connect human through useful, beautiful, and reliable digital experience.